Handing out your social security number online is a big deal, and it's crucial to exercise caution. Let's face it, when you're dealing with an online company, you don't always know who's on the other side of the screen. There are malicious actors out there, hackers and scammers who thrive on stealing personal information and selling it in the dark corners of the internet. So you have to be hypervigilant. The only scenario where you should even think about sharing your social security number with an online company is if someone you trust wholeheartedly has referred you to them. Referrals provide that added layer of trust and credibility. However, if you randomly stumble upon a company via a Google search, no matter how professional their website looks or how enticing their promises sound, pause and think before you send them your precious social security number. Remember, while anyone can easily find your name and address online, your social security number is like the crown jewel of your financial identity. Guard it zealously. CreditFixGuy.com is the only credit repair company in the United States that does not require you to give them your social security number. Learn more at CreditFixGuy.com.